Zenny. Zen and Legend, say hi to everyone. What are we making today?
Rainbow.
A rainbow?
Yeah.
Are we making slime?
Yeah.
Wow, so what do we have here? Okay, so what do we have here? Measuring cups? And how many pumps are you going to put in there? A lot, okay. And what are we making? Slime. Ellie, we're making a hot dog? Are you going to put some cornstarch in there?
Yeah.
How much cornstarch are we going to put? Looks like Zenny's putting a lot of pumps in there. So you can use a regular dish soap for this, right?
A regular dish soap.
Good job. So add a couple pumps. And moms and dad, you can always help with this if you want. Now we're going to add our cornstarch. Well, we're not going to add that one yet. We'll do that one after. I'll help you with that one because that's the food coloring, so we want to be careful. Okay. Do you want to pull it out, Sunset? Ellie, here's yours. Okay, pour it in, Ellie. Carefully, pour it in. Good. Okay, go pour it in, Ellie.
That's okay. Sometimes you mess up the tar. You miss.
All right, Ellie, we're going to pour it in, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Mommy, sorry.
You're doing a good... We don't want to eat it, Ellaroo.
I'm eating.
What are you doing? Are you helping? Good job. Well, we don't eat it because that's dangerous. Okay, now, Ellie, now what are we going to do? We're going to stir it like this. Wow, I think we need a little bit more soap, Zenzen. Can you add a few more pumps of the soap? Stir, stir. This is a lot of fun. A little bit more soap, I think. Go ahead. You need quite a bit of soap, actually. Keep pumping it. Okay, keep going. Keep pumping the soap a little bit. Wow, you guys are really helpful. Here, someone want to do this one?
Yeah.
Want to stir it?
And you can do the soap.
What are you doing? Are you helping? Zay Zay wants to help. Okay.
Please give me some soap, Mommy.
Good job. Now it's starting to look like slime, right? It's okay, Ellie, can you help? He's doing a good job. Keep it up. Someone's flying at Mommy over here. You want to wash your hands? Okay, now stir it together a little bit more. So let's show them what the slime's looking like now. Whoa! Is it looking slimy? What are you doing over there? Uh-oh. Did you knock that over? Oh no! Let's go this way. Woohoo! Do you want to show them what you made, Zay Zay? Hello! So what are we doing here?
I'm going to do bubbles.
You want to do bubbles? This looks like slime. What are the two ingredients that you are using? Ooh, what are the two ingredients that you're using? Uh-oh, we're not gonna, no, that's a little messy. Guys, let's play softly, gently. Are you guys having fun doing the slime? Ellie, say subscribe to our channel.
We can see the title.
Don't.
Let's wash our hands.
Let's wash our hands and don't eat it, guys, right? Let's go wash our hands. Come on.